and in today's video we are going to cook a very simple and easy eggless cake. This is a cake that I've learned from my mother and I've been making it over and over again. So I thought let me share the recipe with you guys so that you can also bake an eggless cake with the minimum ingredients that is available in your pantry. So without further delay, let's get started.
Let's have a look at the ingredients first. You would need 3/4 cup of sugar. I've used organic granulated sugar. You can use any sugar up to your choice. Plain yogurt, it has to be at room temperature. All-purpose flour, that is maida. Some neutral flavored oil. Well, I have used canola oil, vanilla essence, baking soda, and baking powder. Let's begin the process by first sifting all the dry ingredients together. I first sifted the all-purpose flour. Now throw in the baking soda and the baking powder together in the sieve and sift it. Now add the sugar into the bowl. After all the dry ingredients are mixed together, it's time to add the wet ingredients. Let's first start with the plain yogurt. Now add oil and mix it together. Add about a tablespoon of essence into it. You'll have to add a little bit of water so that the consistency is a little runny. Well, in total I added about 1/4 cup of water. I have lined my baking dish with a parchment paper and now I'm going to pour in the batter into the baking dish. Meanwhile, my oven has been preheating for about 10 minutes in 350 degrees Fahrenheit. After you pour the batter, just tap it for a little while and sprinkle some tutti frutti on the top. That's completely optional. Now that the oven has been preheating for 10 minutes, let's bake the cake for 30 to 35 minutes. Bake it for another 10 minutes if it's not completely cooked. Wait until it comes down to the room temperature and then slice it. Doesn't it look fluffy?
And the cake is ready. You must have seen the pictures of the cake. Well, I hope you really enjoyed watching today's video and you will try making this cake at home. Do let me know how did it turn out in the comment section below. I would love to read them all. And as I always say, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And I shall meet you in a few weeks from now. Until then, stay healthy, stay safe. Bye-bye. Coming up next is this French toast pizza, so stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest notification.